Hey guys, welcome back. Let's get into the conversation following the crypto summit that took place in Washington, D.C. yesterday. Once again, guys, we told you on the channel, would we get that buy the rumor, sell the news? Was it even news? It was a great day for crypto, but I think a little bit under delivering with some of the posts and the feedback that we've gotten. And I did a recap rundown video yesterday and why this is important also for not just XRP, but Cardano and Solana as well. I want to share with you guys in this video what exactly is going on, because the big rumor right now on the street and the kind of, I guess you would say, question that's being posed is Donald Trump, is he planning on selling all the XRP to buy more Bitcoin? Okay, so I want to get into some of the conversation coming out from David Bailey and what that executive order actually means for the future of XRP holders. Okay, so let's get into it. If you guys are all new to the channel, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. We do talk XRP every single day right here on the channel. I am away from the office, so I'm getting you the video because I find this relevant. So I wanted to share with you guys kind of what's going on right here, right now. So let's get into it. Let's talk about what's actually happening. And first and foremost, we are going to dive into what the market is doing as we see a lot of red numbers, right? So a sell-off that is happening over the weekend. That's something that, not financial advice. I'll never tell you guys to buy or sell a crypto, but kind of told you guys this is what was going to take place. I told you in a live stream that with what I'd be doing with my holdings, I'm waiting till Monday for really to see how the market reacts, because I didn't want to, be one of those crypto traders that bought right before the news, and then we get a big nothing burger like we got on Friday that resulted in a lot of uneasiness. And now we have a sentiment in the market where, quite frankly, I don't quite understand why this is happening, but maybe somebody else can help me down below in the comments. But it is something where people are trading with fear. And whenever that happens, it's never a good recipe for success. So let's get into what XRP is doing on the day. And I do want to preface this all by saying, before this crypto summit took place, without XRP being named to the strategic reserve, nothing changes with what XRP is trying to do. Okay, nothing actually even changes. This is all just bonus, additional, in conjunction to what we had going on before. I really truly think that XRP was above $3 and had nothing to do with Donald Trump. Maybe just speculation that we were getting pro-regulation, but the actual news that's being delivered really kind of has me in a little bit of a state of confusion because nothing's changed. And now we're trading down on a discount at $2.35. And guys, I am using BTCC as my exchange. If you guys want to get involved, start trading on BTCC, one of the longest standing exchanges that's been out there for United States citizens as well. It's available spot and futures trading. So you can trade futures on BTCC. All you futures traders out there that are located in the States, make sure you check out my link down below. Explore it. They do some promotional giveaways as well for signing up. You can find those. If you click my link, you'll see what exactly they have to offer. I think there's some free crypto along the way as well, but a great exchange, great track record. And if you guys are looking for a new exchange to get onboarded with, check out my link down below for BTCC. Okay, but enough about that. This is what we're looking at as we look at the chart, and you can see right now at $2.35. It is actually less than I expected, right? I thought we'd wake up today. I thought I'd get some crazy notifications that XRP was dumping, maybe even closer to $2. That's kind of where we see this floor right now at about $1.98, $2, where we did wick down a couple times, but bounced off of that support. And we tried to break out back on the 2nd of March, but immediately sold off as we approached the $3 threshold. And then we've been trading kind of with some volatility and some concern, I would venture to say, as we had a crypto summit with the heads of cryptocurrency in Washington, D.C. And really nothing came about it except some red numbers across the board. So let's get into the conversation, though. This is kind of what we came here to talk about. Is Donald Trump planning to liquidate XRP to buy Bitcoin? Okay. You can see right here, David Bailey saying that Trump signed an executive order to liquidate the government's XRP holdings. Now, Bailey suggests that the XRP liquidation may be for buying new Bitcoin. The government's XRP liquidation will result in XRP's downtrend. All right, so there's a lot of speculation. We've seen this basically as Bitcoin Magazine CEO David Bailey took to X to share the insights on Trump's last move. Now, the potential impact of this is something where I want to tell you guys, I don't really think it's going to matter. I think there's a lot of XRP whales out there. There's a lot of people that believe in XRP, like I said, with or without the government. Okay. Yes, they kind of need them to get to where they're going to. And I think that's kind of why we saw bipartisan support during the presidential election from the heads of Ripple, why they were kind of donating to both sides. I know we can talk about kind of, Kamala Harris and the San Francisco ties and all that good stuff, but they were playing both sides of the fence. And I think that was a very strong power move. I think Brad Garlinghouse has lobbied a lot with what we have in the works for XRP and why this is so important. Also, the SEC, maybe the SEC, not just the lawsuit within Ripple, but also just the SEC in general. Maybe they are going to be at the end of their road. No more SEC. There's even rumors going about within that conversation that the SEC will be no more. But I think that XRP being an American-made crypto, for what it's worth, guys, it's something where I think that the bullish factors behind XRP outweigh anything that we got from Friday, okay? But there's no official word yet from the Trump administration regarding that executive order on XRP. But David Bailey asserts that Trump's XRP liquidation could potentially lead the government into more BTC accumulation. And that's something that I did take away, commenting on Bitcoin as the digital gold. We went down that, conversation within Donald Trump, and you really got to hear his sentiment and how he feels about XRP quite a lot. And it's not, I'm sorry, not XRP, but Bitcoin. So if there's one takeaway, I can tell you guys that Bitcoin is the kind of number one moving forward. Me personally, out of all of this, the one crypto that I am betting on more so than anything, I have my thoughts on XRP, but like I said, they have remained unchanged regardless of what's going on in Washington. So when this stuff was going on, I didn't even care. I told you guys in the previous video, I was going to go live, make a live stream, cover it. I said, why would we do that? It's just going to jerk people around. There's really no reason to do that because I knew exactly what was going to happen. And here it is, guys. We are on into the weekend, and it's exactly what we called for. Okay. And that's kind of where you look into kind of what's better. Is it a Bitcoin reserve or a strategic reserve with a lot of the top cryptos in market cap, American-made cryptos? Time will tell. I don't think, quite frankly, they know. And that was the purpose of this summit in some form or fashion. But also, I think that's something where if Trump would just basically become a Bitcoin maxi, I think XRP will be fine. I think what they're doing has been unchanged. I'm going to say that to them blue in the face. They are in a category of their own where when it comes down to blockchain crypto technology, XRP can do something that no other cryptos can do. I personally think that it's more so just Ripple. If you wanted to really get involved, XRP is just the native token of the ledger, and it's kind of what you see going on within Ripple. If Ripple was a Fortune 500 company or whatever you want to call it, just some traditionally traded stock, I would be buying shares of Ripple personally. Okay, the XRP token is just a bonus, and that's kind of how I feel about it. I really do believe in their tech, and I think this is something where the biggest question that we want to answer right now in this video, though, is what will this liquidation, if this does happen, if this plan does take place, how will this impact the XRP price? Okay, we went down 13% in trading volume over the last 24 hours, now at 7.44 billion. This is something where a lot of people are becoming cautious. And this is something as we look into kind of the finality of this crypto summit. When the USG is done selling XRP, it will be worth less than a cent. That's highly, highly FUD. I do not believe in that. Like I said, guys, XRP will be fine with or without the US government. That's just my personal opinion. I'll never tell you guys to buy or sell a crypto, but that's just how I feel about it. And I wanted to address these concerns because a lot of you guys are probably waking up, reading this article, reading other articles similar, seeing a lot of posts on X talking about how basically XRP is going to zero, all this good stuff. Not so fast. Okay. I do think that there is a lot of merit to how they're going to replace the traditional way that payments are transacted across borders. And that's something that will not change. The United States government, unless they slap some regulation upon them, that will not change. Okay. So leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think about Trump's liquidation plan if this does take place, and what do you think will happen with XRP moving forward? Okay. Appreciate you guys all giving me a couple minutes of your time. Enjoy the weekend. Like I said, guys, I'm Mark. Thank you for watching my crypto channel. We do talk XRP and all cryptos every single day right here on the same channel. Also, if you don't follow me on X at @TCryptoMark, give me a follow, and we'll see you guys all in the next video. Cheers.